Alright, now we're at the other Kitamura we have here. This is the MyCenter HX400i. It's a horizontal tombstone pallet. Series 16i mill again. Alright, don't be afraid to spew factoids about this one. What else? What's spindle on this?
This is the 13,000 RPM spindle.
Cat BT?
BT40. BT30.
BT30.
We also have 4 tombstones. 2 squares, 12 by 12 by 24, I believe. And 2 angled ones that are 4" by 12 and 20 tall. So, and they're all precision steel.
Beautiful.
Tombstone.
How many magazine? What's the capacity?
This one has plenty.
Plenty.
I believe it's 50.
50. Oh. Big chip conveyor. Looks good in there.
Nice thing is you can access it while the machine's running. It will just wait for you to shut the door before it starts again. You can see we used a lot of long tool holders and we're still able to hold very good tolerances. Our parent company stole all the good tools. These are all high-speed balance tools, mostly ER16, some ER32.
Mill go with the machine?
Tools go with the machine and a cart to put them on.
And a cart. And so that's 50 pockets probably?
Yes, 50.
Yeah. What's this here?
This is a high pressure through the tool coolant. I used it a lot when we were doing cast iron 20 years ago. But it hasn't been used much since, but I have no reason to think it wouldn't work if you used it.
Okay.
Also, Kitamura is very good at the way they lay out their lubricant and stuff like that. Easy to access.
nice and clean.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And their electrical is even better than that.
Coming around. Nice. Big beautiful panels. It's got a little trick over here, don't anybody watch. Yeah, looks good.
All the batteries were changed in December, so they should be good for at least another year.
Yep, there they all are. There's the battery marked 1218. Beautiful, nice and clean in here. It
Very
is.
well laid out.
Yeah. Nice.
Just replace the spring in the rear chip guard. Cleaned everything out behind there, and everything works very well.
Can you switch out a pallet? Is that a big deal or no?
Let's see. And then you kind of push that, telling it it's ready.
Yeah, beautiful.
Plus another one like it.
Nice, giant tombstoner. All that juice came out. Is that to clear out chips?
Yeah, those keep the chips from getting in here. Come with that. Want to watch it?
Oh, yeah. Nice.
And you can open this up.
Right, your operator can load parts.
Then you can spin it around. This one's a heavy one.
Yeah, it is.
And it won't let you turn it unless the pads are lined up with these two pads here. So you line that up, and you put the lock in.
Yeah, it
Make
won't
sure
move.
it's locked, and then it will be changed.
Beautiful.
All the hardware to hold it in, nice big 12mm bolts, or even more than that. Holding this down, doesn't move at all.
Nice.